Yo, what's up everybody? It's the Code Lab here. And listen, we all know how it feels to be stuck in that coding grind, right? Staring at lines of code, time slipping away. We've all been there. But what if I told you that just a few quick tweaks could completely transform the way you work? Welcome to our quick guide on simple coding hacks that can boost your productivity in just 5 minutes. We're talking about those little tricks, those keyboard shortcuts, those code snippets, the things that separate the casual coder from the coding ninja. So, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, these tips are going to help you level up your game. Let's dive right in and make your coding life easier. First up, let's talk keyboard shortcuts. These are the real game changers, right? Instead of hunting through menus, you're hitting a couple of keys and things just happen. We're going to be looking at some essential shortcuts for VS Code, Chrome DevTools, and your terminal. Trust me, once you master these, you'll be flying through your workflow. We're talking about shortcuts for code formatting, navigating your files, finding and replacing text, all that good stuff that saves you precious seconds, which, let's be honest, add up to hours in the long run. Next up, we've got code snippets. These are pre-written chunks of code that you can quickly insert into your project. Think about it. How many times have you typed out console.log while debugging? With a simple snippet, you can do it in a fraction of the time. We'll show you how to create your own custom snippets for the tasks you find yourself doing over and over again. It's like having your own personal coding assistant. Now let's talk about Git. It's a lifesaver, but it can also be a bit of a time sink if you're not careful. We're going to show you some Git commands that will streamline your workflow. Think about things like quickly amending your last commit, getting a concise status update on your repository, or even staging specific lines of code for a commit. These are the kinds of tricks that separate the Git novices from the Git ninjas. Chapter 4, Browser Console Magic, your debugging ally. Now let's jump into the browser console. This is your best friend when it comes to debugging JavaScript. We'll share a super handy JavaScript snippet that lets you query and log all elements matching a specific CSS selector. This is insanely helpful when you're trying to pinpoint styling issues or see how your JavaScript is interacting with the DOM. Chapter 5, CSS can be a bit of a puzzle sometimes, right? You're trying to figure out why your layout is broken, but you can't see what's going on. That's where this next hack comes in. We're going to add a simple CSS rule that temporarily highlights all the elements on your page. It's like magic. Suddenly you can see exactly how everything is structured and where those pesky margins or paddings are coming from. Chapter 6. Alright, let's talk about VS Code extensions. These are like apps for your code editor that can add all sorts of awesome functionality. We're going to hook you up with some must-have extensions that will seriously boost your productivity. Think inline error highlighting, AI-powered autocomplete, and even an instant local server, all within VS Code. These extensions are like having a team of coding assistants working alongside you. Chapter 7. Finally, let's wrap up with some one-liner productivity boosters. We're talking about those insanely concise lines of code that can accomplish a surprising amount. We'll show you a Python one-liner that lets you quickly debug a list based on a specific condition. This is just a taste of what you can do with these powerful snippets. Outro. So there you have it, 7 coding hacks that can seriously level up your productivity game. These are the kinds of tips and tricks that I wish I knew when I was starting out. Try implementing 1 or 2 of these hacks today and see how much time you save. You'll be amazed at the difference even small changes can make. And once you've mastered these, don't be afraid to explore and find your own productivity hacks, because that's what it's all about, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more productivity tips, coding tricks, and tech deep dives. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace!